Today we are recharging Corsa 2019 Corsa E battery. If you want to replace the battery or want to take the battery out to recharge, then all you need to do is just, I already did this one, no, this knob, that knob. You just need to use screwdriver and one knob over here, over there, and this comes out. Then open this end, and once you open that, clip is over there. That clip, you just press that clip and it comes out once you open that. And over one here, the other clip is over here. You just press this comes out. Once that comes out, then open that nut, is 13 mm, and take the battery out. So that's it. So these two and third knob over here, you open these three, this cover comes out. Then you open this positive with 9 mm and this one, and this clip, this comes out, and then this clip, this comes out, and open that. That's it. Okay.